What if there are thousands of alien empires scattered across the Milky Way, each spanning a few or even dozens of star systems, engaging in conversations, trading, or occasionally clashing? Yet, despite the vastness and age of our galaxy, and the fact that traveling at 10% of the speed of light could potentially allow a civilization to colonize the entire Milky Way within 1 million years, we've seen no signs of extraterrestrial visitors. Does this mean we're truly alone? But what if our assumptions about galactic colonization are all wrong? What if the Milky Way is teeming with life, but the real challenge lies not in the technology, but in the harsh realities of space? Let's dive into this cosmic puzzle and see if we can unravel the mysteries of alien civilizations. Think of the Milky Way as a colossal ocean, with billions of star systems acting as islands. This vast expanse might look inviting, but it's full of treacherous waters. Around 5,000 years ago, the Polynesians embarked on a daring quest across the vast Pacific, seeking new lands to settle. Armed only with their navigational skills and canoes, they braved uncharted waters in search of habitable islands. Their journey is a testament to human curiosity and perseverance, mirroring the potential challenges faced by advanced civilizations in their quest for new worlds. Some islands were merely rocky outcrops, barely supporting life. Others, with their hostile environments, were too inhospitable to sustain thriving civilizations. Yet there were exceptional islands, rich in resources, ideal for settlement. The Polynesians established societies and kingdoms on these favorable lands, trading and interacting across vast distances. These islands represent the galactic equivalents of potentially habitable planets, where life could flourish and civilizations could thrive. However, not every venture succeeded. The Pitcairn Islands, for instance, were isolated and eventually saw their population dwindle. This decline could have been due to various factors such as resource depletion, disruption of trade routes, or environmental challenges. The fate of these islands serves as a cautionary tale about the difficulties of sustaining life in remote and challenging locations, highlighting the potential risks for civilizations attempting to expand into less hospitable regions of space. The Milky Way's expanse isn't just about the presence of habitable planets, but also their distribution. Star systems with potentially livable planets are not evenly spread out. Civilizations might focus their efforts on star systems that are clustered together in more favorable regions, leaving vast areas of space sparsely populated. This uneven distribution means that while some regions might be bustling with activity, others remain largely unexplored and uninhabited. So, what if space is our ocean, and civilizations are like the Polynesians, gradually expanding from one good planet to the next? This concept suggests that much like ancient explorers, advanced civilizations might be strategically selecting the most promising worlds for settlement, while avoiding those that present significant challenges. The Milky Way contains around 200 billion star systems, with estimates suggesting there could be anywhere from 300 million to several billion potentially habitable planets. Sounds promising, right? However, the reality is far more complex. Many of these planets may be far from ideal. Imagine venturing to a new star system only to find a barren wasteland or a planet with extreme conditions. For example, Mars, with its poisonous dust and thin atmosphere, poses severe challenges for habitation. Venus, on the other hand, has a crushing atmosphere and scalding temperatures that make it nearly impossible for life as we know it to thrive. Even if advanced technologies could terraform such planets, the required resources and time might be prohibitive. In addition to harsh planetary conditions, the process of interstellar travel itself presents significant challenges. The energy required to traverse vast distances between stars, even with advanced propulsion technologies, would be immense. The cost and technical feasibility of maintaining long-term space missions or establishing outposts in distant star systems could deter civilizations from undertaking such ambitious projects. The challenges of settling on inhospitable worlds extend beyond technological hurdles. The economics of space colonization involve significant investment, and the practical difficulties of transforming hostile environments into habitable ones might outweigh the potential benefits. If high-tech civilizations could dispatch automated probes or ships with embryos to explore new planets, it raises the question of why we haven't seen evidence of such activities. It seems that the cost and feasibility of expanding into space might be more complex than initially anticipated. Given the vast distances between stars and the uneven distribution of habitable planets, alien civilizations might not be spreading uniformly across the galaxy. Some regions might be rich in favorable planets, while others could be barren wastelands. Earth might currently be situated in a less favorable part of the galaxy, surrounded by star systems that offer limited opportunities for colonization. Elsewhere, in more promising regions, advanced civilizations might be flourishing. Imagine a galaxy dotted with interconnected empires, each stretching across multiple habitable star systems. These empires could engage in complex interactions such as trade, diplomacy, and conflict, creating a dynamic and ever-evolving galactic landscape. The formation and dissolution of these empires could be influenced by numerous factors, including economic pressures, political shifts, and environmental changes. As civilizations expand, they might encounter new obstacles. Alien ecosystems could present unforeseen challenges. Resource management might become increasingly complex, and communication across vast distances could hinder the cohesion of interstellar empires. Over time, these empires might fragment, with colonies becoming isolated or even abandoned, reflecting the difficulties inherent in sustaining a galactic presence. If we're isolated in a less hospitable part of the galaxy, it could explain why we haven't encountered any advanced civilizations yet. We might be in a cosmic backwater, gradually drifting closer to more active regions as our technology and exploration capabilities improve. Does this make the Milky Way a more daunting or less intimidating place? On one hand, it might be comforting to know that we have time to develop our civilization before potentially meeting others. On the other hand, it could be a missed opportunity if we never get the chance to interact with our cosmic neighbors. The truth is, the future remains uncertain. As we continue to explore and learn about the universe, we might one day discover that we are not as alone as we think. Until then, we can only imagine the possibilities and ponder our place in the grand cosmic tapestry. The exploration of space is both a thrilling adventure and a profound journey into understanding our place in the vast expanse of the galaxy. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more out-of-this-world content. Keep exploring with us.